Hi all. Okay, so what we have here is just a LED light with a remote control, and the remote should activate the lamp. You have 30 minutes, you have brightness, and you have on off. Eventually this stopped working. I thought that it is an RF remote, but it is not, because we have infrared LED, so it's sending infrared command, and it is working when I am activating for a few, let's say, seconds, few presses, and then it stops. So I suspect that maybe the LED is stopping the light or something like this. So let's disassemble and try to find the cause of this one. So if you will look closely, we have only one chip, and we have buttons, and basically this is all. So the only way to check if this is have a signal is using a scope, or you can put in parallel another infrared in parallel to this LED, and if I will put it and it is working, so of course it is the LED, because you can't know if it is lighting. Another way to look at it is using a camera of your phone, and then pressing the button. You should see I'm trying to put it to the camera. You should see the light, and I don't see any light because the sensor of the camera can detect infrared. Okay, so I will try to find another infrared LED and put them in parallel, and then we'll see. So without using any tools, you can see that if I am using a LED in parallel, so this is working. So this is all the problem. I will replace the LED. Sometimes such thing happens, and that's all. Thank you and bye.